Come test drive the 2025 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Come take a test drive today.